አረ ምን ሆናል እባክህ ስክሪንሾት አድርጋ ላክልኝ no ስክሪንሾት አድርጋ ላክልኝ screenshot
take a screenshot now
you can take a screenshot of any error
ሹን ብቻ ወደ ሻ ቀይሯት okay so instead of saying screenshot you got to say what screenshot
take a screenshot of this or
a screenshot of their homepage.
How do you pronounce these three words? These are really important. The first one QUITE ከቲ በኋላ ስትመጣ please quiet ነው የምንለው quiet የሚለው በጣም የሚለው very የሚለውን ለመተካት እንችላለን ይሄ it's quite tall
and he's quite tall.
It's quite disturbing.
It's quite interesting how
do you pronounce the second one? Okay, this is quiet. ዝም በል ለማለት ለምሳሌ be quiet.
You can be quiet.
They might be quiet.
Okay, be quiet. Have you seen the difference? Here it is quiet. You know እዚህ ጋር ያለው እዚህ ጋር ግን የት ነው የሚሆነው quiet. The third one quit. ሰውን እያረጋ ያለው ነገር እንዳታቆም በርታ ማለት ፈልጉ don't quit ትላላችሁ አታቆም ለማለት don't quit.
Don't quit. Yeah.
The word quit. We don't quit.
One more time. The first one it's quiet. The second one quiet. Then the last one quit. Don't quit. Go ahead. How do you pronounce this word? How do you pronounce it? Biblical አንልም ብዙ ሰው biblical ብሎ ነው pronounce የሚያደርገው biblical አንልም so how do you pronounce it correctly? It's biblical.
So biblical stories,
Historical and biblical subjects.
Did you get it? That's really nice. So how do you pronounce these two words? The first one it's treat ነው የምንለው የመጀመሪያውን treat ዶክተሩ ታካሚውን አከመው ለማለት the doctor treated the patient ነው የምንለው or በሽታውን ማከም treating the disease ሁለተኛውንም treat ብሎ የሚያነብዙ ሰው አለ treat አንልም ሁለተኛው how do you pronounce this word? It's threat.
It's a threat to the country.
ስለዚህ ስጋት የሆነ ነገር ሲሆን it's a threat ነው የምንለው
Homosexuality is a threat to the moral fabric of our country.
ስጋትን መጫር እንደማለት ነው አብዛኛውን ጊዜ ፖለቲሽንስ ናቸው እነዚህም ይሄን ቃል የሚጠቀሙት እኔ ማንንም እያስፈራራው አይደለም ስትሉ ምን ትላላችሁ ለምሳሌ I'm not threatening anybody I'm not threatening anybody አንልም I'm not threatening anybody ችኛዋ ግን treat ምሳሌ ጋብዛችሁ ስትሉ let me treat you to lunch ማለት ትላላችሁ አሁን እኔ ማስተምራችሁ ነገር ምን ይባላል pronunciation No. So what is it? Pronunciation. አያችሁ ኦኮ የለችም እዚህ መሃል NUN ነን ተብሎ ነው የሚነበበው ስለዚህ pronunciation ሳይሆን it should be pronounced as what? Pronunciation. These two words, how do you pronounce these two words? የመጀመሪያው ቀላል ነው how do you pronounce it? Just finite.
Finite games are
bounded የሆነ or limited የሆነ ነገር ሲሆን finite እንላለን the problem is on the second one how do you pronounce this word infinite we don't pronounce it like that you're wrong so how do you pronounce this word it's infinite
life is infinite you know life goes on and
unbounded or limitless እንደማለት ነው infinite ነው please infinite አንልም infinite ስለ ጌም ከሆነ የምታወሩት finite and infinite games አሁን ስለ ማቴማቲካል ሴትስ እያወራችሁ ከሆነ finite and infinite sets ነው የምትሉት
Finite and infinite.
እንጂ finite and infinite sets አትሉ did you get that nice so if you're new here please consider subscribing and following this channel you're not going to be disappointed by the way how do you pronounce these two words the first one ይሄ carrier ማለት ነው
my baby carrier.
ተሸካሚ ማለት ነው
An aircraft carrier.
ለምሳሌ ዝንቦች ጀርም ተሸካሚ ናቸው ስትሉ ምን ትላላችሁ flies are germ carriers what about this word it's career CAREER this is career
My career.
And I would ruin my career.
ኦኬ ለረጅም ጊዜ በቋሚነት የምንሰራው የሥራ አይነት ነው career ማለት ዲፈረንሱን ተመልከቱ እዚህ ጋር k ነው ወደ ከ መጣች እዚህ ጋር ር የነበረው ስድስተኛው ሳድስ ድምጽ ወደ ሶስተኛው መጣ ሪ ሆነ ስለዚህ career የነበረው career
My career.
excellent let's proceed how do you pronounce these two words the first one desert okay desert በረሃ እንደማለት ነው so what about the second one it's what dessert
Jelly dessert.
Oh, they're really good as a dessert with some custard. Amazing.
ከዋናው ሚል ጋር አብሮ ተያይዞ የሚመጣ might be french fries or chips ሊሆን ይችላል ስለዚህ dessert dessert.
What's your favorite dessert?
I don't like dessert, okay?
How do you pronounce this? CE and SCE. Did you get this one? This is advice. Advice.
You need to follow my advice, okay?
Advice. ስብሎ ነው የሚያልቀው. But advice. ምክር ማለት ነው. Noun ነው.
My first piece of advice on how to be a good substitute.
What about the second one? This is what? Advise.
Hey, what would you advise me to do?
Z sound. There is a buzzing Z sound at the very end of the word. Advise.
You advise me to do.
A noun with CE ending, it's advice. And a verb with SE ending, it's advise. S ending and Z ending. And by the same token, how do you pronounce this word? How do you pronounce it? Here we go. The first one, ICE, it is pronounced as device. Can you try the second one now? Then comes the verb. ይሄኛው verb ነው. Devise. Devise. It is ending with a buzz Z sound, okay? Z. Now the last one, come on. How do you pronounce these three words? አንድ አይነት አድርገን እናነባቸው. There's subtle difference right there. Are you ready for that? That's really beautiful. The first one, it's pronounced as letter. Letter.
Letters of the alphabet. Letters of the alphabet.
There is a flap T sound right here, meaning smooth D sound አለው እዚህ ጋር. This consonant T appears in between two vowel letters. So, if that is the case, then this T sound is gonna get changed into flap T, meaning it will have a smooth D የሆነ ድምፅ ይኖረዋል. ስለዚህ letter. Letter. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet.
26 letters of the alphabet. Letters of the alphabet.
The second one, L-A-T-E-R. It's later. የሆነ ነገር በኋላ አደርጋለሁ ስትሉ የምትሉት ነገር ነው. Later. እስቲ በኋላ እንገናኝ በሉኝ. See you later.
See you later. See you later.
በኋላ እደውልልሃለሁ. Call you later.
I'm gonna call you later. Call you later.
Excellent. If you're not using American English, you might be using something else right here. British English ማስተር ያደረጋችሁ እዚህ ጋር የመጀመሪያው letter ማለት ትችላላችሁ። ሁለተኛውን later ማለት ትችላላችሁ. Okay, let's proceed now. The last one. How do you pronounce this one? It's ladder. Ladder.
In the latter case,
I disagree with the former and I agree with the latter case. That's really beautiful. The former case and the latter case.
In the former case, in the latter case.
Are you new here? Have you been enjoying the video? What are you waiting for? Go ahead and click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Video ተመቻችሁ? እስቲ የሆነ ነገር ኮሜንት ሴክሽን ላይ ንገሩኝ።